Social media consulting for small businesses, the profitable opportunity you've been waiting for. The social media consulting market for small businesses is one of the most profitable and accessible opportunities today. With the growing importance of social media in the growth of companies, small businesses need specialized help to stand out and achieve results. This is where you come in. Social media consulting offers a growing market, where the demand for qualified professionals is high and the possibilities for growth are enormous. High demand and growing market. Today, more than 70% of small businesses already use social media to promote their products and services. However, many of them do not know how to use these platforms strategically and effectively. This creates a huge gap in the market, and social media consulting is the solution. Small business owners need help to increase their online visibility, engage customers, and generate more sales. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn, the potential to reach new customers is limitless. The market is constantly growing, and the role of the social media consultant has never been more important. Low initial investment and flexibility. One of the great advantages of starting a social media consultancy is the low initial cost. To get started, you only need a computer, a quality internet connection, and knowledge of the platforms. There is no need for large investments in infrastructure or products. In addition, this business model is extremely flexible. You can work from anywhere, whether from home, a shared office, or even from anywhere in the world. This makes social media consulting an excellent opportunity for those seeking freedom and flexibility in their work. Direct impact on your client's success. As a social media consultant, your work has a direct impact on the success of your clients. You will help small businesses reach more customers, increase engagement, and ultimately generate more sales. With each new strategy you implement, you see the results happening in real time. More followers, more interactions, and more sales. This type of success builds trust and loyalty, creating a long-term relationship with your clients. Seeing your clients' businesses grow with your help is one of the greatest rewards of this profession. Scalability and business growth. Social media consulting offers enormous potential for scalability. You can start with a small number of clients, and as you gain experience and results, you can expand your client base. In addition, you can expand your service offering by offering packages that include paid ad management, content creation, and metrics analysis. Over time, you can build a team of consultants and expand your services even further. This allows you to transform your business into a digital marketing agency, increasing revenue and diversifying your services. Opportunity for continuous learning. The world of social media is constantly evolving. New platforms and tools emerge all the time, which creates a constant opportunity for learning and updating. As a social media consultant, you will always be up to date on the latest trends, strategies, and algorithms of the platforms. This continuous learning is a significant advantage as it allows you to offer your clients the most effective and innovative solutions. Additionally, as you work with different types of businesses, you gain experience in different niches, which makes your portfolio even more valuable. Customized strategies for each client. Every small business has unique needs. As a social media consultant, you will have the opportunity to create customized strategies for each client, taking into account their goals, target audience, and resources. This ensures that each client receives a tailored solution that truly meets their needs. Customizing strategies increases effectiveness and results, which is what makes your work so valuable. Each satisfied client becomes an opportunity for growth. And over time, you can build a solid portfolio of success stories, personal and professional growth. In addition to the financial rewards, being a social media consultant brings personal and professional growth. You will constantly be exposed to new ideas, approaches, and digital marketing tools. This not only keeps the work interesting, but also provides opportunities for development. By helping your clients achieve their goals, you will also be achieving your own goals, such as increasing revenue, growing your portfolio, and expanding your business. Why start now? The social media consulting market for small businesses is one of the most promising today. Social media is key to the growth of any company, and small businesses are increasingly seeking specialized help to manage their online presence. By becoming a social media consultant, you will be taking advantage of a growing demand, with a low initial investment and the possibility of growing your business in a scalable way. With the high demand, work flexibility, and the opportunity to positively impact the success of your clients, social media consulting is an excellent choice for those who want to undertake in the digital world. In addition, the possibilities of continuous learning and adapting to new trends keep the work challenging and exciting. Don't waste time. Seize the opportunity and start building your portfolio today. Reach out to small businesses, help them grow on social media, and start developing your own path to success. With the market constantly expanding and opportunities growing, now is the time to take the first step. The growth of social media has become essential to the success of small businesses, and many entrepreneurs need help to maximize this potential. In this video, we will show you the complete step-by-step guide to structuring your social media consulting business, with management tips and effective strategies to help you stand out in this market. 1. Understand the market and demand. Before you start, it is important to understand the social media consulting market. Most small businesses already use social media, but do not know how to use these platforms effectively. This creates a great opportunity for you. Your job will be to help these companies increase their visibility, engagement, and sales. To do this, you need to be familiar with platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn, and how they can be used to achieve real results. Important tip: do some research on current social media trends and the specific needs of different niches, such as restaurants, gyms, and fashion stores. This will help you offer more targeted solutions. 2. Define your niche. When starting your business, one of the best decisions is to choose a niche market. Instead of trying to cater to everyone, focus on a specific segment. You can choose niches such as small beauty clinics, clothing stores, or local restaurants. Specializing in a niche will allow you to become an expert, creating a more personalized approach to each client. Top tip: choose a niche that you have interest or experience in. This will make it easier to understand your client's needs and create effective solutions. 3. Acquire technical knowledge and necessary tools. To be a successful social media consultant, you need to have the right technical knowledge. This includes mastering the main social media platforms and data analysis tools. In addition, it is important to know how to create visual content and write texts that truly engage the audience. Tools such as Canva for graphic design, Hootsuite for scheduling posts, and Google Analytics for data analysis are essential. Important tip: invest in online courses and tutorials to stay up to date with the best digital marketing practices and social media strategies. 4. Structure your services and offerings. The next step is to define exactly what services you will offer. Common options include social media management, content creation, paid campaigns, and strategic consulting. To appeal to a variety of clients, you can create service packages that meet different budgets and needs. This could include monthly packages, one-off services, or hourly consulting. Top tip: create a variety of customized packages to suit different types of businesses. The more flexible you are, the wider your client base will be. 5. Set competitive prices. Setting fair and competitive prices is a crucial step. When starting out, it's important to charge a rate that is affordable for small businesses, but also reflects the value you deliver. As your experience grows, you can adjust your prices. Offer payment models such as monthly packages, project-based billing, or hourly consulting. Top tip: research your competitors to understand the average price charged by social media consultants and then set your rates accordingly. Remember, as you gain experience and proven results, you can increase your prices. 6. Build your portfolio and social proof. As you begin to take on your first clients, it is essential to build a portfolio that showcases the results you have achieved. Use screenshots of successful campaigns, follower growth, engagement, and whenever possible, testimonials from satisfied clients. Social proof is powerful and attracts new clients. Top tip: use your own social media as an example to showcase your work and results. This helps build credibility and trust with your future clients. 7. Find clients and build relationships. To ensure your business grows, you need to find clients. Use strategies such as personalized emails, direct contact via LinkedIn and Instagram, participation in industry events, and offering free workshops or webinars. Also, ask current clients for referrals. Top tip: create a marketing strategy for your own business. Post valuable content about digital marketing on social media to establish your authority on the topic and attract clients. 8. Organize your routine and processes. As your client base grows, you will need a well-structured routine to manage your time and tasks. Use tools like Trello or Asana to organize your projects and ensure you don't miss deadlines. Also, keep a financial control spreadsheet to effectively manage income and expenses. Important tip: plan your schedule weekly to ensure you have enough time for each client, as well as to keep your work organized and efficient. 9. Expand your knowledge and offer advanced services. Over time, as you gain more experience, you will be able to offer more advanced services, such as in-depth data analysis, process automation, and influencer marketing. Expanding your offerings increases the perceived value of your service and attracts clients with more complex needs. Important tip: invest in courses and updates to always offer the most innovative and efficient services to your clients. 10. Constantly analyze and adjust your strategies. The last important tip is to understand that digital marketing is always evolving. This means that your strategies need to be constantly adjusted. Use analytics tools to measure the performance of your clients' campaigns, such as follower growth, post engagement, and ROI from paid campaigns. Top tip: set clear KPIs for each client and review your strategies periodically to ensure they continue to be effective and deliver results. Now that you have a complete step-by-step guide, you are ready to start your social media consulting business for small businesses. By following these steps, you will create a solid foundation, build a reputation, and help many businesses grow online. Remember, the key to success is understanding your clients' needs, being flexible with your offerings, and staying up to date with digital marketing trends. With dedication, your social media consulting business will be a success. HubSpot is one of the biggest names when it comes to digital marketing, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Founded in 2006, it has become one of the giants in the sector and achieved global success. Let's explore the main strategies that HubSpot used to grow and how you can apply them to your own business. 1. Content marketing and inbound marketing. HubSpot was one of the first companies to invest in inbound marketing. Instead of using traditional ads that interrupt people, they started creating useful and relevant content, such as blogs, ebooks, videos, and webinars. This helped attract customers naturally without having to push the product on them. Key strategy: create useful content. If you understand the problems that your audience faces and create content that helps solve those problems, you will attract a lot of interested people. This can be done by creating videos, blogs, or even posts on social media. 2. Free tools to help customers. HubSpot didn't stop at theory. They offered free tools to help businesses grow their digital marketing game, such as landing page builders and SEO tools. These tools helped attract small businesses that were just starting to learn about digital marketing but didn't have the money to pay for expensive services. Key strategy: offer something free. If you have a useful tool, an ebook, or a simple course, offer it for free. This will attract people, and when they see how good your content or tool is, they will want to pay for something more comprehensive. 3. Customer education and training. HubSpot knew that many of their customers didn't know how to use their tools properly, so they created HubSpot Academy, a platform for free courses on digital marketing, sales, and customer service. This made customers feel more prepared to use the platform and help the company become a reference in the industry. Key strategy: educate your customers. If you have a product or service, create tutorials, webinars, and guides to teach your customers how to use it in the best way. This will build customer loyalty and increase the chances of them buying from you again. 4. Strategic partnerships. HubSpot didn't do it all alone. They partnered with companies like Shopify and WordPress, which helped them grow their visibility and reach new markets. These partnerships allowed them to reach a larger audience and bring more customers to their platform. Key strategy: partner with them. Look for companies or influencers who have a similar audience to yours and see how you can work together to reach more people. Partnerships can go a long way in expanding your customer base. 5. Simple and scalable product. HubSpot has made sure to create a platform that is easy to use. Whether you're new to digital marketing or have more experience, HubSpot's platform is designed to be intuitive. What's more, it's scalable, which means that as your business grows, you can use more tools and features. Key strategy: have a simple product. If your product or service is easy to understand and use, more people will want to use it. And if it can also grow with the customer, it increases the chances that they will continue using it for longer. 6. Referral marketing. One of the smartest things HubSpot did was to encourage its customers to refer their services to other companies. When a customer was happy with the platform, HubSpot would ask them to tell others. This helped create word of mouth, which quickly grew the business. Key strategy: ask customers to refer you. If you have happy customers, encourage them to share their experience and refer friends or companies that might benefit from your product or service. 7. Always listen to your customers. HubSpot knew that in order to continue to grow, they needed to always listen to what their customers had to say. They received constant feedback on what was working and what wasn't, and they used that to improve their tools and services. Key strategy: ask for feedback. Ask your customers what they think of your products or services. This helps you improve what you're offering and also shows your customers that you care about their opinion. If you want to follow HubSpot's path and build a successful business, start by applying these tactics to your own venture. Create useful content, offer something free to attract people, always listen to your customers, and form partnerships that help expand your customer base. With dedication and the right strategies, you too can achieve great results. Did you like these tips? Then keep following our channel for more content on how to grow in the digital world and turn your business into a true success.